Hi, I'm Melton, a TUS Game Art and Design student, and I'll be showing you some of the programs that we use to do some of the coursework here on the Game Art and Design course. So yeah. So what I have here is ZBrush. ZBrush is a program we use to model stuff for games in like character models or mech models and stuff. As you can see, I have my own character model up there currently. I'm doing what was known as kit bashing. So as you can see in the back of there, this piece here, I'm taking parts from that and transferring them over onto my own model to make different armor pieces and stuff. So it's also going to be used currently in a card comp set for another project that I'm working on. Yeah, as you can see, all the pieces I've opened from different models, I've just stripped them down into pieces and just going through them to find ones that look nice for my character. So yeah, that's ZBrush. So now I have Photoshop open, and I'm sure a lot of you already know what Photoshop is, but here we can see that I have my project open where I did a futuristic wanted poster for a knight model that I made in ZBrush, the same concept. Uh, as you can see, I kind of put a holographic effect on it to make it look like it's on a console, and I added a dust kind of effect with a spray brush to make it seem like the console itself hadn't been accessed in a long time. But yeah, we use Photoshop quite often on the game art course. We use it for alphas, for designing characters, making textures for UVs and stuff. So you'll be getting quite familiar with it in no time, as there's quite a lot that it can do and be used for on the course. So yeah, that's been Photoshop. So here we are in Unity. This is the main software we use for developing games. I'm sure a lot of you know what Unity are. So I have a little scene played out here that I'm currently working on for a project. So I'm gonna play it so you can get a look at it. It's just very basic scene now, so just squares and stuff. No actual progress. Well, progress in art made just yet. We're just kind of focusing on the coding here first. So as you can see, it's just basic enemies, basic player movement, basic stage layout, that kind of thing. I do have a few things like the enemy shooting as you just saw there. I also have, as you'll see just now, a checkpoint system set up so that when my player falls off the map, he can respawn at the last checkpoint I made. So now I'll show you a bit of the code just to see kind of what else we get up to on the other side of Unity. As you can see, this script I have open here is the player controller script, and I know it probably looks a bit confusing to some people who've never probably coded before, but some of the basic coding you do in first year on the game art course, you will see this, and this will be basic in no time. This is just no problem. So yeah, that's been Unity. And those are some of the softwares that we use here at TUS to do our projects. Hopefully you saw something that piqued your interest and made you a bit more interested in the course. And hopefully we'll see some of you here next semester. See ya.